Are you looking for your own professional building to build your own campus? Maybe you're a doctor, a lawyer, a CPA, or even a local agricultural company looking to gather all your departments under one roof. If so, you've got to check this building out with me. Let's go. As you step inside the building, you can see this beautiful lobby that invites guests in, along with an amazing Atrium style sunroof that you've got above. Really brings in plenty of sunlight, natural light into the building and into the offices. So you can imagine having all of your departments under one roof. You could have a sales department on one side, marketing. You could have executive suites, executive conference room up on top. You also have separate suites downstairs that could house your field departments, finance departments, payroll departments, whatever you can imagine. The reason I get so excited about it is because it does remind me a lot of Pixar Studios in Emeryville, if you've ever been there. Lots of great features to that building. One of the most amazing things was when Steve Jobs designed that building, the purpose was so that all the departments would be under one roof, and down below were restrooms, facilities like the restaurant, the coffee bar, the cereal bar, the company's store, all down below, so that regardless of what your status was in the company, you all came down into one common area to enjoy yourselves and interact and build your company culture. So if you're looking for an amazing place to build that company culture, this is it. Let's go ahead and take a tour now through some of the available offices. So currently, part of this is leased out to one company here. It's a therapy company. This was the original Hayward Lumber corporate offices. That's why I see so much beautiful wood and styling and architecture in here. But you can see some of these vacant offices here. You have a couple of suites. This one here is Suite B. Let's go ahead and go through this one. You can see it's got two different doors that open up into the lobby. And Suite B here is available. Just kind of take you on through. It's a little more compartmentalized with different separate rooms, but this suite does have 3 exam rooms, if you will, if you were going to use this as a medical facility. Just take a quick look in one of them here for you. So an exam room there. We've got an ADA bathroom here. Let's take a look at this. So this here is Suite C. It has its own lobby area, if you will, within the office, a kind of a waiting room, if you will. And then down at the end of the hall are 3 exam rooms as well. They're a little under construction right now, so we'll go on those on a later tour. And this particular suite has 2 doors that come out to the lobby. Again, this is Suite B that we're looking at here. Little kitchenette area here for you. Little storage room. This is in Suite B again. And then out here we have 2 more offices on this side and then 2 exam rooms on this side. So here's an exam room here. And the nice thing about this one is it does have its own private entrance. So that could be for VIP clients or clients, or even just a separate doctor entrance if you wanted to be in the back. Okay, so exam room 2, and again exam room 3. And then here you have 2 offices. This is one nice office. And then you've got another office here with its own entrance out into the lobby, so that could also be a reception room if you like. So that's Suite B. Let's take a look at the other one. Again, this is Suite C. This was also a therapy office being used, and you can see they have their own little waiting room area within the suite. And down at the end of the hall is 3 more exam rooms, another bathroom, and another doctor's office with its own private entrance out to the back. Okay, let's take a look at some of the rest of the building. So I really wanted to show you this. This was an old waterfall feature that the property came with. And you can see here, it actually won an award was highlighted business in the Salinas Valley, and it was it's called the Butterbaugh Fountain, and it's flowing again. It's in the Hayward building. So again, this was the Hayward lumber building. So it's a 22-foot fountain. It was later dedicated for once this building was converted to medical, it kind of was rededicated again for that. So here you have a second entrance to the lobby, and that is on the entrance on San Marino. You have your own elevator as well. That takes you up to the second floor. And here's Suite C again. This is the other entrance to it. It's from the outside. Suite C also contains, or not contains, but has access to the lobby and two doors. You've got one here, and you've got the other lobby entrance there. Here's one of the amazing things about this property is it's located adjacent to Salinas Valley Hospital. So just across the way is their facility. So this is Suite D. We're upstairs now. Again, we have some renovations going on up here. You can see plenty of office space up here. Some of the doors being worked on. Here's Suite H, Suite I. So again, really a nice building upstairs with several offices available on either side of the atrium. That's what we'll call it. And it looks down the lobby below, but you can imagine if you took this lobby down below, you could put, let's say you made this your own campus, you could put a coffee bar down there, a little coffee wagon, and or put an administrative area down there, kind of an open administrative cubicle area. That would be nice reception for your customers and guests or clients coming in. And then let's show you the conference room real quick. We are doing some renovations upstairs, but I can show you this one conference room that has a great view and looks out to San Marino Way, and that's Romney Lane there with that car going by. But again, this was the original Hayward building, so you could tell this was their conference room. Very nice room, nice big space. And again, it goes off into like executive rooms that could be on the side, so you could use those as such. There's your elevator. They are doing some restroom renovation at the end of that hallway there. And then again, you can see several offices across the way that are being currently undergoing remodel, just kind of getting freshened up for sale or lease. So very nice. But this does have a retractable skylight, is designed with that. And then upstairs you have several other offices, probably with about the same footprint, square footage of these suites that you just saw down here. But again, very beautiful building. So hope you can get a private tour of it. Give us a call. We'd be glad to take you through.